Hello everyone. In last tutorial we talked about how to import password and telephone number in form. Today I am going to talk about how to put button and how we put image in the form. We are continuing form. We are not finished yet. I'm going to open my file. For the image, we need to use input type image. Here, BR input type image, and after image src. Before you learn how to use image element, and now here some attributes is same about type image src. We are going to open an image, and then we can give wide and height, wide 200 pixel and height 200 pixel, and also we can use alt attributes. What is alt attributes? Work just like the alt attributes on image element. We are going to write alt attribute, write a Mexico, and save the file, and then double click. See, this is the picture on the form. Now I'm going to teach you about the button on the form. In form, you need to put a button for your form, because without the button the form will not gonna work. You can use the button type to perform processing on the client before the form is submitted to the server. For instance, when the user clicks on a button, a client-side script can be run to validate the form data. Then, if the data is valid, the script can submit the form to the server. This button is mostly used for JavaScript. When you use JavaScript code and put the button, and then your button will be gonna work. I'm going to write input type button, and after button value. What is value here? The text that's display on the bottom to the server when the button is clicked. Alert me the value, and then close this, save, and when I refresh my file the button is here. Alert me. It's better to write the big letter in value and refresh. Alert me. After here to BR and refresh. Alert me. This is enough for today's tutorial. I will continue this subject to my next tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.